Now we're gonna do the Meds 100 Clouds Challenge. So basically the idea is you do 10 clouds a day for 10 days. That's 100 clouds. Very simple, just cloud thumbnails with putting a twist to it. But you have to add some kind of thing from this legend here. Of course you can make your own, but here's mine. Feel free to screenshot that template. These are from imagination. I didn't use reference specifically for these, but I did make a reference board just in case on Pinterest if you want to just paint 100 clouds from reference. These are all from imagination. So the idea is you paint the cloud and then you add a very simple silhouette if you want, like I did with these birds up here, based off of what you have on the left here. Some things are normal, like a hot air balloon, or birds, or a kite. Some things are more fun, like flying fish, magic books, things like a magic witch hat. Now this is so that we can get into the mindset of getting more imaginative with what we're doing as a sort of precursor for what I have planned coming up for y'all. Honestly, this is so that I can get back into painting. I've been just playing guitar instead and other things. So I'm like, why would I paint when I could do other things that are kind of more fun at the time? So I want to get back into painting, and this is a great way to force myself to do it. Maybe not force, but rather reintroduce, dipping the toes back in the water. And in the past, it was more difficult because I had such grandiose ideas of what paintings should be and what I was trying to make them become. But I'm like, let's just keep it simple. Clouds. Simple object. It doesn't have to have some kind of crazy lore or backstory. I'm very proud of this jar. You don't have to go that indicative with your designs, but this is just as simple as a few colors, you know. So, but yeah, I'll be posting these every day for 10 days, and we'll see how they develop. I think we're going to see some improvements when we compare the final 10 to these first 10, because I could see that they're pretty decent, but there's so much potential. And I'm curious to see how that unfolds. If you just look up the Meds 100 Heads Challenge, you'll see plenty of people are benefiting from that. This is hopefully as beneficial, but I don't think it's as interesting because there's no characters. But that's not the point. We're not trying to make this some kind of crazy viral thing, but rather for those who are interested in storytelling, composition, and all that stuff. This is if you have nothing to paint and you're just trying to come up with something, well, here's an exercise. What are you doing in the next 10 days? Probably busy with real life, but hey, if you got time to do some scribbles, lay some shapes down. Again, they're not too detailed at all. They're just a few brush strokes here and there. I suppose strategically placed, but that's all I have in me. I don't know what to say else. Thanks for watching. I hope you join the challenge.